going on, everybody? Welcome back to another POV video. My name is Ben and we are in rainy Brisbane City on this fine Monday morning. Today we're shooting on the Sony a7R III with the Sigma 24 to 72.8. So if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a sub, and sit back and enjoy. So there's no real plan for today. It's we're sort of just walking around, going to spray and pray and hopefully get some cool shots. Yeah, so currently, I don't even know what street this is, but QUT, Gardens Point is to the right, and the city is to my left. But yeah, like I said, no real plan. We're just going to walk around, shoot, see what we can find. Yeah. So that one was shot at 640th of a second, 2.8. Now I do have my ISO set to automatic with the parameters of being, what do we got? Auto, ISO 100 to 1250. So it'll vary between there, but as I go, I'll try and read out my settings too. Same settings, nothing's changed. Bam. Try and get this guy in the green olive suit. That is at 70 mil. So those ones were at 320th of a second, 2.8 auto ISO. Oh, there's an orange umbrella. Try and get him. 6.3 at 1250th of a second. Here's Porsche. Oh no, that's not a Porsche. Lol.
I don't know my fruits.
Nice bright red. Oh no, my screen. It is bucketing down. Drop it back down to 250th of a second. F6.3. Change that back to 2.8 now. I get old mate with the orange umbrella crossing the road. Actually, probably a little too bright. There's so much water on my screen, it can't focus properly. If I touch to focus it, freaks out. Yep. Oh no, touch the focus. There we go. Nope, it's back. These are at 640 again, 2.8 auto ISO. Actually, that one should be. It was a 125 ISO. What else here? Pink umbrella. Nope, touch this back. That doesn't do that trick. Pinky. Let's go and try and get. Change the ISO back to 7.1, 640th of a second. Back to 2.8, 640. Let's head over to King George Square. Actually, no. Adelaide Street with the overpasses. Just right here. 640th of a second, 2.8.
So you have to go around the corner.
I'm gonna drop that 1600th of a second. Actually, no, change it back to 640 f 6.3 auto ISO, which is reading at 1250. To 8 at f8. It is bucketing, so testing the water resistance of the camera, that's for sure. Okay, so let's drop back that down to 2.8. Actually, pop it back up for this shot. Yeah, 7.1, 1250 ISO, 1640 shutter. Damn. Can't even see that, but that's alright. Jump to the middle of the road. Nice. Oh no. My camera keeps saying it's the SIM card's not accessible, or like not eligible for my device. Accessory not supported by device and cannot be used. Please verify the compatibility with your device. Oh no. So hopefully these shots come through. What are we? 1600th of a second, 2.8. Get the Tesla. Change it back down. Back down to 200 on the second. Whoa, 125, 2.8. Shoot. Damn. So I don't know if you can see this, but my camera is like focusing. I'm not even touching it. And it won't let me change the f-stop either. So I'm gonna cut it here, guys, and take it home, dry it out, and fingers crossed I didn't just break my camera. What's up, guys? It has been about a week or so since I last did this video, so I'm just finishing editing now. I just thought I'd let you guys know that the camera is actually a-okay. I took it home, took it apart, tried it out, and yeah, it's fine. There was, like, when I took the SIM cards out, there was a whole bunch of water in there, so that was playing up with the compatibility issue with that. But the lens, the body, that was all good. At the end of the video, I did say that the f-stop was playing up, so that was fine now. I did take it out the following night, actually, and worked perfectly. The lens, it still did have a bit of water in there, like it fogged up, so I was taking photos and it was looking real moody, but not good. So I took that home, dried it out again, humidifier on there, and yeah, it's working fine. It's working good again. If you like today's video, give us a like, give us a sub, drop it in the comments below what photo you like the best today, and stay tuned for my next video. See you soon. Bye.